Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a pill box, and this is it here. It's a nice big one here. It looks like it's a 2-time-a-day one, so if you have some large pills that you take twice a day, this could be a good box for you. It's got a nice hinge on it here, so you can have it protected this way here. And then you have the 2 times a day pills in it there. So let me show you guys what we got here. So this is it here. You'll be able to fit some, it's a very deep one here. And they open nice and easy, have a little snap close on the little side there, so you can do that. And you can see it's got the morning and night, and it's got the day of the week on there. And you've got, each one has a different color, and that, I take one pill, or one set of pills a day. I take them in the mornings. So this here, I could just do like 1 week, 2 weeks, or something like that. If I go away for 2 weeks or something like that, I can use this as I go away, or just set them up in my house so I have 2 weeks of stuff to go through, and it looks just nicer than having pills sitting out or going through the bottles every single day. It's always nice to organize and have it ready to go. So this is the way to do it. If you have somebody elderly or something like that, it's an easy to open box. It's got a nice lip here, so you're not having to fumble with it or get your fingernails in there or anything like that. It's very easy to open these ones here. They are very simple to open. I can even do it one-handed. So if you need a nice looking pill box and one that is going to work good and nice and big, this is it. Thumbs up. Very nice.